Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from FIAMA Canada, and today we're going to be doing a cleaning cycle on the Jura ENA 4. What you're going to need to complete this process is your cleaning tablets and a receptacle. Cleaning tablets come conveniently in a 6-pack and a 25-pack, and you'll want to bring one container, cup, or receptacle to catch any spent water from the central spout on the machine. You'll know it's time to clean when you see a circular tablet symbol with water droplets around it. To start the process, you're going to select the gear, use your cup to navigate to that, and select the bean as enter. The first thing your machine will ask you to do is empty the tray. After emptying the tray, the cleaning cycle will begin. Now what's going to happen is the machine will eventually show the pre-ground bypass symbol. You're then going to open the bypass, insert a tablet, close the bypass, and click the bean to let the machine know you've completed that step. Now you're going to put your receptacle underneath the central spout and wait for the cycle to finish. After about 15 minutes, you'll need to empty your tray one more time, put it back in, and you've now completed the cleaning cycle. Thanks for watching how to clean the Jura ENA 4. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @FIAMA_Canada for some fun and cool content, and check out our website, www.fiama.ca, for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.